You brought a goat this time?
Yeah.
What's your goat's name?
Steve.
Steve?
Stone Cold Steve Austin, because he's the goat.
Boats and goats. So it's 9:09. Where's he at?
He's in court right now.
He is?
Yeah, he went in first to get everything cut away, and then he said come back out here.
Where's his car at? I don't see it.
I have no idea. I didn't think it since we've been here for probably 40 minutes.
You saw him come in?
Huh? No, but his camera crew rode in that Denali over there.
He wants that sign.
There's a picture of Steve holding the sign.
Oh yeah, we need to get him down. They'll know it was us. They'll just know. That's gonna be a hard one to get out of. Like, that is not my goat.
He was trying to eat them. How's it going? Hey guys. I guess we went in there and then they're like, come back in an hour. Okay? Yeah, they love wasting everyone's time.
Absolutely.
So, boats and goats. Oh, dude, I remember you.
Oh, what's up, buddy?
What's his name?
Steve.
Steven. Are you filming? Just riding the truck here.
Oh yeah. He's just like a dog.
Is he gonna eat my shoe?
Shoe? Yes. Oh yeah, thank you.
I wonder what the courthouse. I didn't even see you. I came in on the other side. I guess this is the side we came in on last time.
Yeah, that's.
Wait,
You're out
yeah.
the General League?
So it's here, but we're gonna take it out after.
Yeah, you don't want to make it hard.
And especially if we lose, we're gonna.
Oh yeah.
We got.
I've got to get a picture of the General League.
Surprises. Oh yeah, it'll be here. Well, it is here, but it's in a trailer right now. We didn't want to piss them
How long has this been going on for?
off.
I was sweating last time.
Tickets. We got them. What was it?
Oh yeah, because we came here in like July or
We
June.
came here in June like 10.
Dude, this has been.
All I know is it was hot, and now it's cold.
Yeah.
It was like
When do we get our
May,
tickets?
end of May.
End of May we got our tickets, yeah.
5 months.
Yeah, pretty much. It was pretty close.
5 months for what should have been like a parking ticket type thing.
Like a $250 fine, like it's done.
I'm Tennessee.
So we went all the way in there, and then they're like, "All right, it's too busy. Come back in now." There's like 150 people in there. You got a marker?
Yeah.
You could sign your sign. Wait, did you write that on by hand?
She wrote it. We had another one. It was,
Just now?
yeah, it was horrible.
shit.
And I was like, hey, we got another sign. Does anybody got good handwriting? And she was like, what calligraphy?
She's a freaking calligrapher.
Yeah, that's actually what she is.
Hey, don't let him eat the sign.
Man, if he's hungry, I gotta feed my baby. You know?
Yeah, but Whistlindiesel just signed it though. You can't let him eat it.
You can buy babies, you can buy full grown ones, you can buy ones that they had in petting zoos. They're like just as chill as them. Yeah, dude. But like, how much? Like a real chill one, like you can come up like pet like a dog, $2,000.
Really?
Yeah, dude. Like I'm talking a huge too.
Oh, you gotta get him as a pup.
Yeah, like they have them. They like the pups are going for like 150. Yeah, man. I almost bought one.
Well, the problem is they're like really they have separation anxiety, so they always want to be around someone.
Yeah.
So the problem is like,
so you're like always traveling.
yeah, like they would have to come with you like every time. So they're like people, I guess.
Oh yeah.
So I was gonna get some, but
pork's good too.
until I like have them where I live.
You can also buy buffalo there.
Really?
White buffalo.
Okay.
Anything.
Like normal buffalo?
Yeah, zebras, camels.
Yeah, I was gonna get some buffalo for the place.
Oh, dude, that'd be sweet.
We don't have cattle there, so the grass is super tall.
Yeah,
I'm gonna get some buffalo to just run around and keep the grass down.
You might as well get something cool, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
I feel that daddy right there.
Yeah, I don't know if we want goats. Well,
We can't
they're
have Steve.
psycho.
I'm over here.
Prepare not to have no grass.
I wouldn't care.
We need some things that like attack people when they come in.
I know that.
What? Thank you. He said he wanted me to come meet someone. It was the mayor. So the mayor and I talked for like 20 minutes or whatever.
You guys buds now?
Yeah, he's super awesome actually. Yeah. The mayor and the chief of police talked to him for like a half hour. I guess they like bow hunt. Yeah, no, we're close now. Tyler.
Video, right?
Where the hell?
Getting video.
That works. Oh boy, the wind is a big issue.
Yep.
Let's get out of the wind. All right, this is court appearance number 3, 2 or 3. It's been 4.5 to 6 months, I forget, since we originally had this happen. This is for the jet ski incident. So if you are not aware of that, go watch the other 27 videos on this. John here is also, you haven't been on camera yet for this, I don't think. So he's the other one being accused of breaking the law. So technically, we could both go to jail for this, but let me run you down what happened. So we came here at 9 a.m. and basically we go in there and they said there's too many people, so they said go hang out for a couple hours. There's like 200 people in there. There's guys in handcuffs and orange suits. So we had breakfast, and then the chief of police comes out and he's like, I got someone I want you to meet. And I was like, oh, your son or something? He's like, no, the mayor. So we had breakfast with the mayor. I guess he's been watching my videos, so that was cool. But then we came back and got an update. So the DA basically is in charge of dismissing cases that they want to keep, or like they decide what they want to fight. And I guess they thought this was worth their time because we're coming back again. Basically, I'm not too versed in it. There's a preliminary hearing which determines, I guess the judge determines whether they want to throw it out or fight it. If I'm saying something wrong here, I apologize. I'm trying to get it as right as possible. It's going to go to a jury likely. So that's 12 people deciding whether or not we are going to be under probation or go to jail for alleged splashing with jet skis. So they're trying to charge us with a reckless operation, which they are claiming is a Class A misdemeanor. So, which is more than reckless driving, DUI, assault, aggravated assault on a police officer, battery. So yeah, I guess it's going to go to a jury, and we're going to be back December 13th, which will be, I don't know, 9 months or something since we had fun that day out on the lake. So I will see you all December 13th. We're going through the seasons here. We're gonna have gray hair when this is done. We're like the courthouse is gonna go through a remodel. There's already been one other election since the last time this happened, and this is imagine if this was like fourth degree splashing or murder. Dude, I could not imagine. So we're $10,000 into this now. John has a lawyer, and I have a lawyer as well. Thankfully, they know what they're doing though. So, let's see. You know when your lawyer is like, you hear a lot of times lawyers are like, don't say anything about this until it's done. They keep telling me that, but I don't really care. So we're just gonna talk about it. Basically, here, John, come over here. You alright with being on camera? Okay. Dude, it's not the end of your life. So, they want it to look like that though. They want us to be miserable. That's the idea behind it. They're like, maybe if we make their life miserable, they'll give up. So, what they're trying to do is they gave us another deal. They offered to drop John's charges. He goes free, and in exchange, I get 12 months probation if I admit to it. If I admitted to something I didn't do or claimed that I was recklessly operating. So I said, no, I'm bringing you down with me. So John is coming down with me, and we're gonna take everyone down with us. No, that's actually no. They wouldn't let him go. They were still the trial would continue for 6 months and then randomly disappear for him. So we'd still have to go through this for 6 months, and then I would have to basically agree that the charges were correct for what we were doing. But there's both of us involved, and it was the same day. So, anyways, oh yeah. So we talked about the same thing with Street Speed 717. Basically, he had this happen, not with jet ski. He had something happen where the government threatened to involve all of his friends, or everyone that they thought was there when he drove through the creek and destroyed the environment. Basically, he agreed to it, took all the charges, and then the government forgot about it. He paid the fine. He paid $50,000. So what's going to happen the next time that someone innocent who doesn't have $50,000 breaks this law that no one knows about and drives through a creek? They're going to get in a lot of trouble. It's going to ruin their life. So this has been the third time that we've came here. It's an hour from home. It's on a weekday, and it's at 9 a.m. So the rest of our day is trash. Everyone else's day is trash that's involved in it. It's wasted our time, our money. He has other stuff going on. I have other stuff going on. Not really. I'm enjoying this. But he has other stuff going on. And it's wasting everyone's time and money. So this could really ruin someone's life if it keeps happening. So by standing up to stuff like this and not backing down, I hope that it sends a statement to other people. It helps persuade other people to kind of fight stuff that's unfair, especially if it's an obvious especially if the decision that the government is making against you is unfair. So I guess we're going to be back with a jury, and the public themselves is going to get to decide if we go to jail for riding jet skis. Yeah. All right, John, I'll see you in
Beijing.
See you in Beijing. 6 months.
6
We'll
months.
be back. Cut. Is there anything else?
You know what's the funny part is? My mom didn't know that I was in trouble until like last week.
Oh, about the splashing?
Yeah, she had no idea until like last week. It's like, something the neighbor said that you're in. I was like, yeah. That's all happened. I was like, yeah.
Yeah.
She's like, are you going to jail? I was like, probably not. But
What's it like being innocent, but in there with actual criminals?
Oh, well, they think that we're actual criminals. But yeah, there's guys in orange with handcuffs in there that have definitely been on some drugs that you're not supposed to take. So, I don't know. It's definitely weird. It doesn't feel right. They're looking at us like with these evil grins, and it's like, dude, I didn't kill someone, okay? Like, that was, yeah, whatever.
The city should be thanking. Yeah, the DA was mad.
Call him street sweeper. Wait. Oh, yeah, yeah.
I don't know why. It's a famous ass scope.
Good to go.
You good?
Yep.
Oh, what's that? Wait. Oh, yeah, I had to get my $10,000 in lawyers back somehow. What's this sign worth? 20? We got like 200 more to go. All right, let's keep getting signs.
I love that the window's so smashed.
Yeah, we've just been driving it like that because it's actually, it looks used. So it doesn't look like every other generally. It's actually like unique.
So will you get a picture of me and Steve on the like the side of the generally?
Put him on the hood. Hey Seth, film this. Where's Seth? Can we like
He really does not care
Set
about his
him
real
right
goats.
Right here, I guess. Steven? I don't, maybe on the roof. I'm on the roof. Goats love to climb on shit. Steven. Up here, Steven. 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 I don't think his hooves have very good grip. This guy just brought a goat to the courthouse. Steven is very unconfident of his climbing abilities. Steve.
Steve.
He's not like a dog. That was just our lawyers pulled up. We weren't supposed to make a big deal, and they pull up, and we got a goat out here on the top of the. Lawyers are like, I want to pull up with minimum amount of tension as possible. So naturally, we pull up with a General Lee and a goat on top.
And a courthouse sign for DeKalb County Courthouse on the top of the General Lee.
But we don't know where that came from.
That's.
Who's donated?
You can only assume that. What'd she say?
Excuse me?
Is she mad that we have a goat? She said take the goat back home?
At least he has a home.
I think we should go talk to her.
She's with Peter.
Are you kidding?
No.
Who gonna call her? Appreciate it.
Thank you for breakfast.
Appreciate you.
Thank you. Yeah, no problem, guys. See ya. Thanks for watching Renegade Racing's channel. I guess he's the official documenter of the courthouse series, behind the scenes, up close and personal, on the front lines. Have a good one. See ya.
Appreciate you, buddy.
Thanks for coming, guys. See ya.
Hey, we'll see. Excuse me, sir. What did you think of that?
Oh man, we was just out having a little Thursday stroll with our goat, and Luke Duke pulled up in the General Lee. Can't believe it. Might be the greatest day of my life.
You just walking your goat?
Just out walking. He insisted we take him out today. He was right. He was right.
So long, gay boys!